String trellising is a favorite technique of professional growers. It makes it easier to train, prune, harvest, and clean up your crops. You can use any type of string to support your crops, but we recommend natural compostable twine made from hemp or jute. We created the Freyr trellis to make it easy for anyone to string trellis at home, no greenhouse required. The easiest way to grow vertically up strings is to drape a piece of twine over the top bar of the trellis and clip both ends of the twine around the base of your plant. This technique requires no knot tying. Your strings don't need to be anchored into the soil. The weight of your plant will hold the strings taut and in place. As your plants grow, simply wrap them around the strings and add additional trellis clips as needed to keep them attached. Some crops, like pole beans, will need minimal training and do a great job growing up strings by themselves. Other crops, like tomatoes, may need once a week training and additional vertical strings to keep them tidy and upright. Crops can also be supported with horizontal twine. We call this a modified Florida weave, and it works great for snap peas, sweet peas, and tomatoes. Simply tie one end of your twine to a post, wrap it around the other post and back, and tie it off where you started. You can add trellis clips or short pieces of twine every few feet to tie the front and back of the twine together for added support. Put your first horizontal strings about 6 inches from ground level and add another string every 6 to 12 inches as your plants grow.